At home by nature in Metchosin. Everything shown in this video was recorded within a few meters of this spot. In January, the world at our place can be quite monochrome. Nonetheless, there is entertainment. Our ravens and eagles are hungry. Neither likes the competition of the other. The ravens become aggressive, throwing branches at the eagles. Sometimes the ravens pull the eagles' tails until the eagles leave. Eventually, after some 4 minutes of confrontation and altercation, the other adult raven arrived, and together they were able to drive the eagle off their food. The eagle left southeastward across Colwood Mountain. As the sunrise moves further east, the dawns become colorful. On clear days, the Cascade Mountains, some 100 kilometers to the east in Washington State, are clearly outlined in the morning. In March, the early blooms start to dot the moss on Single Hill, right next to our property. The nights resound with a soothing choir of Pacific chorus frogs. Our birds in courting mood add further song and specks of color. Come April and May, the forest shows off its abundance of terrestrial orchids. Now the nights are also replete with night-flying Lepidoptera, occasionally including spectacular silk moths. We recorded some 250 varieties in pictures. The next generation of ravens also leaves the nest across the road and comes here to explore the environment and to amuse themselves. While the stags develop their new set of antlers, the does show off their new fawns. In July, our dog Loris brought some raccoon babies at the bottom of the deck to our attention. But everywhere in nature, death accompanies birth. A crab spider hiding in one of the rain orchids caught a Shasta pyrosta moth. A month after seeing the raccoon babies, we were visited by 6 turkey vultures. It did not take long to find out that the attraction was a dead raccoon baby. Our little garden produces crops from April on. Lettuce greens are available in early spring. June and July offer garlic and shallots, later followed by superb green beans. We love salade niçoise, with lettuce and tomatoes fresh from the raised beds. The season continues with sunflowers, and into winter with kale. In September and October, the sun returns towards the south, and the dawns and dusks are once more spectacular. The forest adds an abundance of gourmet mushrooms to the culinary delights. Among several other, the fragrant matsutake, as well as productive white chanterelles and woodland russula, are available right on the property. In November and December, the year concludes with a show of lively rags of fog, profuse rains, and dramatic storms. But even in snow and at sub-zero temperatures, the hummingbirds are still with us.